Hi guys, it's Luz again. Today's video is going to be about how to make ginger tea. My niece Priscilla asked me, she said, Titi, can you please make a video how to make ginger tea? I want to learn. I said I would. So you'll need ginger root, a knife of course, spoons. The soup spoon works better, but any spoon will do. A pot with a lid, a jar to put your tea when it's done, and water. So the first thing you do, of course, is you peel the ginger. I'm going to show you how. It's so easy. You just scrape the ginger with the spoon. And ginger has a lot of health benefits. It's like really, really good for you. Alexa, what are the benefits of ginger?
Some health benefits commonly associated with ginger may include boosting gingerol, treating nausea, easing muscle pain and soreness, reducing inflammation, reducing blood sugar and preventing heart disease, treating chronic indigestion, reducing menstrual pain, reducing cholesterol levels, reducing risk of cancer, improving brain function, preventing Alzheimer's disease, fighting infection.
Fighting infection. Thank you, Alexa. So after you peel the ginger root, see how easy it is to do it with a spoon? You cut it in small slices. And I am sorry guys, I don't have a camera person. I do these videos all by myself. I hope I don't cut a finger in camera. So then you're gonna put the ginger root in a pot, and I will peel all this root too. This will give me like 6 cups of ginger, that piece that you saw before plus this one. But to make this video shorter, I have to hurry up and show you how it's done. So after you peel and cut all the ginger, you put it in a pot and you add the water. So it's 5 cups of water here. And I already know how many cups of tea I can get out of a piece of ginger. You'll learn that with time. So if I want to make this jar of tea, what I do is I fill it up with water, and that's the amount that I'm going to put into my ginger root. Okay. Then I bring this ginger and the water to a rapid boil, and then I cover it and I simmer it for 10 minutes. And I usually set a timer for 10 minutes, and then after the timer goes off, I let it sit for another 10 minutes, and then I pour it into a jar. And then after that, this one's still very hot, I just enjoy a cup. And I love it. I love the spice of it. It's so good for your lungs. This is definitely an amazing tea and very easy to make. And you can put some honey on it or sugar, but I am already so used to drinking it without sugar. I love it. And as you can see, I have here a bunch of dandelions. I'm going to be making a dandelion tea. You can probably survive with this thing. And I also harvest some plantain leaves. I'm going to dry them, and then I'm going to freeze them, because you can freeze them. And then you can make another tea with this. This is it. Priscilla, I hope you enjoy your ginger tea. I love you. This video is for you.